Good evening. In the last video, I told multiplication techniques for 11 and 111, 99, 999, 999, and also I told you numbers close how to do directly. That technique I have told. Now I will tell the technique about numbers ending with 5. Okay, these are the numbers which are having the last digit. Last digit means unit digit. Unit digit having 5. See here 5. 5 unit digit is 5. Unit digit or last digit 5. 5, 5, 5. Last digit is 5. As well as the difference between these two numbers should be 10. See this is 25, this is 35. Difference of these two numbers is 10. 35 minus 25 is 10. Next 45, 55. Difference is 10. 55 minus 45 is 10. So 65 and 75. Difference is 10. Difference of these two numbers is 10. So first condition is what? Last digit. Unit digit should be 5. Here 5. Unit digit. This is unit digit 5. 5 unit digit, last digit should be 5, and the difference of these two numbers should be 10. See this 25, 35 minus 25 is 10, like this 115 into 125. So last digit is 5, unit digit is 5, here 5, and the difference of these two numbers 125, 115. Difference is 10. Yes. If this is the case, then how to do directly? Condition ఏముండాలి సార్ లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఏముండాలి 5 ఉండాలి ఇక లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ 5 అండ్ ఈ రెండు నంబర్స్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఎంత ఉండాలి 10 ఉండాలి 35 25 డిఫరెన్స్ 10 లైక్ దిస్ if that condition is there, then directly how to do. So what I will do is, so 25 and 35. So first directly I will write here 75. Last two digits are 75. Last digit 5 ఉంది sir. Difference రెండు మధ్యలో difference ఎంత ఉంది 10 ఉంది. If that is the case, then directly write the last two digits as 75. After that, now look for the larger number. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది sir? 2 ఉంది, 3 ఉంది. Okay, here 2 is there, here 3 is there. So larger number is 3. Larger number is 3. Now square that number. So 3 square is 3 square. This 9. So 3 square minus 1. Do 3 square minus 1. So what is 3 square? It is 9. 9 minus 1. What is 9 minus 1? 8. So write 8. Okay. So what you will do? See 45 and 55. Last digit, unit digit is 5. 5. Okay. Then difference between these two numbers. 55 minus 45. It is 10. Yes. Both conditions are satisfied. So what I will do? I will write last two digits as 75. Last two digits as 75. Now I will look for the larger number between these. Here 4 is there. Here 5 is there. So 5 is larger. Now square of that number. So 5 square minus 1. What is 5 square? 25 minus 1 is 24. Right? 24. Right. Okay. So here also see this. Last digit is 5 and difference of these two numbers is 10. So directly I will write last two digits as 75. Now I will look for the larger of these two numbers. 6 is there. 7 is there. So 7 is a larger number. Right? Square of that number 7 square minus 1. Okay. 7 square is nothing but 49. Minus 1 is nothing but 48. Here also same thing. 85 and 95. Last digit is 5. 5 unit digit is 5. Okay, first condition satisfied. Second condition, the difference between these two numbers should be 10. 95 minus 85 is 10. Okay, both conditions satisfied. Then I will look these two numbers. Whichever is larger, this is larger, 9 is larger. So square of that number, 9 square minus 1. What is 9 square? 9 square is 81. Minus 1 is 80. So 80. You should write last as 70. Okay, now see. 115 into 125. Now look the last digit here 5. Okay. Next difference of these two numbers. This is 115. This is 125. Difference of these two numbers is 10. 125 minus 115 is 10. Okay. If the difference last digit is 5 and the difference is 10, then condition is satisfied. Directly what you will write? Last two digits as 75. Then look for the larger number. Here 11 is there. Here 12 is there. So I will square this number. 12 square minus 1. 12 square is nothing but 144 minus 1. That is nothing but 143. Directly write that number. Okay, 135 into 145. Here also last digit 5 and difference of these two numbers is 10. So last two digits I will write 75. Last two digits is 75. Next larger number is 14. So square of 14. 14 square is square of 14. 14 square is 196 minus 1. It is nothing but 195. 14 square is 196 minus 1 is nothing but 195. Next 165 into 175. So last digit is 5. So I write as 75. Then larger number is 17. Now 17 square. 17 square minus 1. What is 17 square? 17 square is nothing but 289. Minus 1 is nothing but 288. Okay. Here 225 into 235. So last digit is 5 and the difference of these two numbers is 10. So directly I will write last two digits as 75 and I will look for the larger number. 22 is here, 23 is here. I am looking 23. Square of 23. So 23 square minus 1. What is 23 square? It is 529. Minus 1 is nothing but 528. Now we have seen multiplication where unit digit is 5 and the difference of two numbers is 10. Before that, we have seen that. Now see this, what I am taken is the last digit, unit digit is 5 here, but difference of these two numbers is not 10. So here 45 and 25, difference is 20. Here 85 and 35, difference is 50. 105 and 45, difference is 50. So difference is 60. Like this, difference is not common, difference is not 10, difference is generalized, difference can be anything. I am taking generalized thing. Generalized means you should have only unit digit, last digit is 5. Last digit here 5, last digit 5. If last digit is 5, how to do this method? Okay, I am taking generalized. Before that, what we have done, we have taken last digit as 5 here also 5, and difference is 10. Directly we have wrote the answer. But here last digit is 5, last digit is 5, here also last digit 5, here also last digit 5, but difference is not 10. How to do this? For this, you have to remember two things. So what you have to remember, if you get even, you have to write 25. If you get even, you have to write 25. If you get odd, you have to write 75. What is this? I'll tell you what it is. But if you get even, you have to write 25. If you get odd, you have to write 75. Now see this, I am taking this example, 25 into 70, 25 into 45. Now see this is 25 and this is 45. Last digit here 5, here 5. Okay. So I will check these two numbers. What is there? 2 is here, 4 is here. I will check these two numbers. 2 plus 4, what is 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. So, if it is even, 6 is a even, if it is even, I will write 25 here, last two digits. Okay, what I have done, I have checked this last two digits as 5, 5. So, I am doing my method. Method is what, sir? Here 4 undi, 2 undi. 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, 4 plus 2 is 6. So, 6 is a even number, so write 25. If you get odd number, you should write 75. So, 6 is a even number, I wrote 25. Next what you will do, here 4 plus 2 6, okay, 4 plus 2 how much you got? 6. Now take half of that number, half of that number is 3, okay, half of that number, 6, okay, 6, 4 plus 2 is 6, half of that number is 3, I have written 3 here. Now 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is how much? 11, okay. What I have done, so I started from here, both are here, 5 is there, so I check these two numbers, 4 and 2, 4 plus 2 is how much? 6, so 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 is an even number, if it is a even, write 25 here, yes I wrote 25, then if 4 plus 2 is 6, you write only half of that number is how much? 3, so I wrote 3 here, 4 2s are 8, multiply these two numbers, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 is how much? 11, so write 11 here. Next, so I have to see this example, 35 into 85. So here what I have done, here is 5 is there, here is also 5. So I will check these two numbers, 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is how much? 3 plus 8 is 11. So 11 is an odd number. So 11 is an odd number. If it is odd, what you will write? 75. If it is an even, I will write 25. If it is an odd means add these two numbers. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 is an odd number, I have written 75. So now take half of 11. What is half of 11? So half of 11 is 8 plus 3 is 11. Half of 11 is 5.5. Half of 11 is 5.5. Don't write 5.5. You take only integer value. Take only integer value. Write 5. Okay. Take only integer value. Write 5. So I have written 5 here. Okay. Next multiply these two numbers. 8 3 are 24 plus 5. It is nothing but 20. So what I did is here. So here 5 is there. 5 is there. So next what I did, I checked these two numbers. 8 and 3. So I added these two numbers. 8 plus 3 is 11. 11 is an odd number. So I wrote 75 here. Next to 8 plus 3 is 11. Take half of that number. Half of that number is 5.5. But take only integer, not fraction part. 5.5. Don't take that 0.5. Only take 5. So write 5 here. Multiply these two numbers. 8 3 is 24 plus 5 is 21. Now check this number. See 45 into 105. Now 45 into 105. Now check these two numbers. This is 10, this is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. So 10 plus 4 is 14. So even number, write 25 here. So write 25 here. Now 10 plus 4 is 14. Take half of this number. Half of this number is 7. 10 plus 4 is 14. Take half of that number is 7. So I have written 7 here. I have written 25 here. I have written 7 here. Next to 10 into 4. 10 4 is 40 plus 7. 47. Right, 47. Easy. See this example. 85 into 125. So here 5 digit, here last digit is 5, here also last digit is 5. So next check other numbers. So here 12, here 8. 12 plus 8 is 20. So 20 is a even number. If it is a even number, write 25 here. Write 25 here. Next 12 plus 8 is 20. Take half of that number. 20 half is nothing but 10. So write 10 here. I have written 10. Okay. Next 12 8 is 96. 12 into 8 is nothing but 96 plus 10. It is nothing but 106. Write 106. Okay, now come here. 75 into 135. So here last digit is 5, here also last digit is 5. Next check other numbers. Here 13 is there, here 13 is there, here 7 is there. So add 13 plus 7. 13 plus 7 is nothing but 20. 20 is a even number. Even number means you should write 25. So I wrote 25. So 13 plus 7 is a 20. So take half of that number. Half of that number is 10. So I have written 10 here. So I wrote 25 there. I have taken 10 here. Okay. Now multiply these two numbers. 13 into 7. 13 7 is how much? 13 7 is nothing but 91 plus 10. It is 91 plus 10 is nothing but 100. Okay. Now see here. 115 into 135. So last digit is 5 here. Here also 5. Okay. Then I will check these two numbers. This is 13. This is 11. 13 plus 11. It is 24. 13 plus 20. 11 is nothing but 24. 24 is a even number. 24 is a even number. Even number means I will write last two digits as 25. And I will write 13 plus 11 is 24. I will write half of that number. 24 half is nothing but 12. I have written 12 here. Okay, 13 plus 11 is 24. You should write half of that number. Half of that number is 12. Okay. Next multiply 13 into 11. So 13 into 11 is nothing but 143 plus 12. 143 plus 12 is nothing but 155. Okay. 13 into 11. It is nothing but 143 plus 12. 143 plus 12 is nothing but 155. Now see here 125 into 95. What is that? 125 into 95. So here last digit 5. Here last digit 5. Next I will check these two numbers. 12, 9. 12 plus 9. What is 12 plus 9? It is 21. So 12 plus 9 is 21. 21 is a odd number. If it is a odd number, write 75. Yes, I have written 75 here. Okay. 12 plus 9 is 21. Take half of that number. 21 half is nothing but 10.5. You have to take only integer. So 12 plus 9 is nothing but 21. You have to take only half of that number is how much? 10.5. But you have to take only integer. You will take 10 here. Okay. You should not take 10.5. You should take only 10. Next one. 12 into 9. 12 9 is nothing but 108. 12 9 is 108 plus 10. 108 plus 10 is nothing but 128. Okay. 12 9 is nothing but 108 plus 10. 128. I am taking, you should take only half of this number. 12 plus 9 is 21. 21 half is nothing but 10.5. But don't take fraction part. Take only integer part 10. Okay, and add to this number. Now 135 into 65. So here also last digit 5, here also last digit 5. So my first step is add these two numbers. 13, here 6 is there, here 13 is there. 13 plus 6. 13 plus 6 is how much? 19. 1 9, 19. If it is 19 is an odd number, if it is an odd number, write 75. So I have written 75. I have written 75. 13 plus 6 is 19. Take half of that number. Half of that number is how much? 19 half in 30? 9.5. Okay, 9.5. But don't take 9.5. Take only integer part 9. Okay, 9. Then multiply these two numbers. 13 into 6. 13 6 are 78 plus 9. 13 6 are 78 plus 9 is how much? 87. Okay. So see this again. I will tell you. What you have to do, here I am taking multiplying unit digit, last digit is 5, unit here also 5, here also 5, difference is not 10, difference is 10, I have told you, but here difference is not 10, I am taking this generalized form, difference is not 10, so you have to remember two things, one, if even is there, you have to write 25, if odd is there, you have to write 75, so how to check even or odd, so here 25, here 45, so here 5 is there, here 5 is there, then check these two numbers. 4 and 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 is a even number. If it is a even number, immediately write 25 here and take half of that number. 4 plus 2 is 6. Half of that number is 3. Write 3 here. Okay. 4 2s are, multiply this number. 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11. 11. Okay. Here, see this. Now 35 and 85. So now multiply, add these two numbers. 3 plus 8 is 11. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 is an odd number. If it is an odd number, immediately write 75 here. Even number means immediately should write 25. If it is an odd number, immediately write 75. Now 8 plus 3 is 11. Take half of that number. So half of 11 is 5.5. You should take only integer part, not fraction part. Don't take 0.5. You take only 5. So I have written 5. Now I will multiply this 8. I will multiply this 8 into 3. 8 3s are 24. 8 into 3. 24 plus 5 is nothing but 29. Okay. Now see this also same thing. What I have done? See 5 is there, 5 is there. Now I will add these two numbers. 10 plus 4, 14. Even number. Directly I am writing 25. I am taking half of this number. 10 plus 4, 14. I am taking half of this number 7. I have written 7 here. Now I will multiply these two numbers. 10 4 is 40 plus 7 is 47. Like this you can do all this. Okay. This is a method. If the last digits are 5. Multiplying unit digit 5. This is the method. Okay. Now one more technique. Here I am multiplying 2 digit numbers here. So what is this? Here last digit, see this last digit is how much here? 7 and this 3. Last digit here 7 and 3. Sum of that last digit should be 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. Yes, sum of the last digit should be 10 and this digit should be same. Here 3 is there, here 3 is there. Unit digit should be, sum of these two digits should be 10 and before that digit should be same. Okay, last digit should be same. What happened? 7 plus 3 is 10 and these digits are same. This is the technique. For this, how to do directly. Here see this last digit how much? Here 6, here 4. 6 plus 4 is 10 and this digit should be same. Here 4. 7 plus 3 is 10 and this digit should be same. Here 6 and 6. 10's digit should be same. Here 1 and 9. 9 plus 1 is 10 and here also 8 and 8. Like this. See this. Here last digit is 7. Here last digit is 3. 7 plus 3 is 10 and this digit should be same. Here 12. Here also 12. Okay. And this last digit is 6, here last digit is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10 and other than that digit should be same. Here 14, here 14. So if digits are like that, then directly how to do multiplication of these numbers. Okay. So here 33 into 37. Now what I will do is, here first I will check. This 7 is there, here 3 is there. 7 plus 3 is 10 and this digit also 3, this digit also 3. So directly how we will do is, I will multiply these two numbers. 3 and 7. 3 7 are 21. I will write 21 here. Okay. 7 into 3, it is nothing but 21. I have written 21. Next, this digit is 3. Yes, 3. Now add 1 to this number. So what it will become? 4. Now multiply 3 into 4. 3 4 is 12. So what I did is, this digit is 3. Next digit is how much? 4. So 3 into 4 is 12. Okay. See here. This digit is 6. This digit is 4. 6 plus 4, 10. And here also 4. Here also 4. So my condition is satisfying. Last digits if I add, I am getting 10 and before that digit should be equal. Here 4, here 4. Then directly what I will do, I will multiply these two numbers. Here 6 is there, here 4 is there. 6 4 is 24. I will write 24 here. Okay. Next, here 4 is there. So 4 is there. After 4 what number will come? 5. 4 tarvata 5 vastadi. So 4 into 5. That is nothing but 20. I write 20. Easy. So first time check chestam sir. Last digits em unnai? 7. 3. 7 plus 3, 10. Okay, condition, first condition satisfying. Mundu digits em unnai? Equal undali. Ikkada 6 undi, ikkada 6 undi. Okay, my condition is satisfied. Then what I will do? Idini multiply chestam. 3 ni 7. 7 3 em avutundandi? 21. I write 21 here. Okay. After that, next time chestam sir, ikkada 6 undi. 6 tarvata next number enti? 7. So I will multiply that two numbers. 6 into 7 is nothing but 40. Okay. See this. 89 into 81. Last digit ikkada 1 undi, ikkada 9 undi. 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, condition satisfied. Mundu digit em undi sir? 8 undi, 8 undi. Same undi. So directly what I will do, I will multiply 1 into 9. 1 9s are 9. So 9 is a single digit, but I want two digits. Last two digits value. So instead of writing 9, I will write 09. Okay, I will write 09. Next time chestam sir, ikkada 8 undi. So 8 tarvata next number. What is the next number after 8? It's 9. So 8 into 9. 8 9s are 72. I will write 72. 8 undi sir, next number 9. So I will multiply. 8 into 9, 72. Now see this sir, 123 into 127. So 123 into 127. Last digit check చేస్తున్నాం. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ 7 ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? 3 ఉంది. 7 plus 3, 10. సో కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫైడ్. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది? ముందు 12 ఉంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా 12 ఉంది. సో ముందు డిజిట్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి. ఎస్ సేమ్ ఉన్నాయి. లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి. సమ్ చేస్తే 10 రావాలి వస్తుంది. 3 plus 7 is 10 and this is 12, this is 12. So directly what I will do, I will multiply these two numbers. 3 and 7. Last digits to multiply some. 3 and 7 ఏమవుతుంది? 21. So I write 21 here. Okay, 21%. Next 12 ఉంది. Okay, 12 is there. So ఏం చేస్తాను? 12 ఒక number, next number into 12 తర్వాత 13. So 12 into 13. So 12 into 13 ఏమవుతుంది సార్? 12 13, that is nothing but 156. Tables రావాలి సార్. Tables రావాలి. రాకుండా ఏం చేస్తారండి? 12 into 13. 12 into 13 is there. So I know that 12 into 13 ఏం చేస్తారు? నెక్స్ట్ దీని స్క్వేర్ చేయండి. 12 square is 144. 144. 12 square is 144 plus 12 యాడ్ చేయండి. Nothing but 156. 12 into 13. ఇలా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే. నౌ సీ దిస్. 146 into 144. సో ఏం చేస్తాం? లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ ఇక్కడ 6 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 4 ఉంది. సో 6 plus 4, 10. ముందు డిజిట్స్ ఏమన్నా ఇక్కడ 14 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 14. సో లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ is 6 and 4. Before digits is 14. Here also 14. So my condition is satisfied. So directly what I will do, I will multiply these two numbers. Okay. 6 into 4. 6 4 is 24. I will write 24 here. Next 14 is here. Next time ఇక్కడ 14 ఉంది. So I will multiply with the next number. 14 into 15. 14 15 is how much? It is nothing but 210. 14 15 is 210. Or you can do like this. 14 15 is 14 square plus 14. 14 into 15 is 14 square plus 14. 14 square is nothing but 196 plus 14 is nothing but 210. Okay. This method, this technique also I will tell next. Okay. 189 into 181. So 189 into 181. So last digit here 9, here 1. So 9 plus 1, 10. Here 18 is there, 18 is there. Okay, my condition is satisfied. So directly I will multiply 1 9s are 9. So I won't write 9, I will write 09 because I want last two digits. I am writing 09. Next I will multiply 18. 18 is there, next number 18 into 19. But with what number I will multiply? Next number, 18 into 19. 18 19 is nothing but 342. Okay, na? Next one, 224 into 226. 224 into 226. I will check last digits. 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, satisfied. Before digit 22 is here. Before digits 22 is here. Both are same. So I will apply my technique. So technique answer 6 4 is 24. I will write 24 here. Next, if 22 is there, I will multiply with next number. 22 into 23. 22 is the next number to multiplication. 22 into 23. Sir, 22 into 23. 22 square is nothing but 484 plus 22 is nothing but 506. So I will directly 506. Okay, so what I have done? So I will check these numbers. So here two numbers same ఉన్నాయి. ముందు digit last digits ఏంటి? Sum ఏమొస్తుంది? 7 ఉంది, 3 ఉంది. 7 plus 3 10 వస్తుంది. ముందు digit sum ఏముంది? ముందు digit numbers ఏమన్నా ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 3 ఉంది. So if that is the case, directly what we will do, we will multiply these two numbers. 7 3 is 21. So ముందు digit ఏమన్నా sir 3 ఉంది, then next number 4. So multiply 3 into 4 12. So last digits ఏమన్నా sir 6 4 10. You are getting sum 10 and 4 and here also 4. If that is the case, directly we will multiply these two numbers. 6 4 is 24 and here 4 is there, next number 5. So 4 into 5 20. Like this you will do all this. Okay, condition ఏముంది? ఇక్కడ సేమ్ ఉండాలి, ఈ నంబర్ సేమ్ ఉండాలి, ఈ sum 10 రావాలి. Okay, now see this, sir. Now here if consecutive terms are multiplied, how to do directly? If you know squares, you can do directly, sir. Now see this, sir. 5 into 6, we know that 5 into 6 is 30. But now instead of doing 5 into 6, what I will do is I will square this number. Square this number. 5 square is 25 plus 5. You get 30. So instead of doing directly 5 into 6, what I am doing? I am squaring this first number. Square of this number, it will become 5 square plus 5. That is nothing but 30. Okay. 8 9s are. So 8 9s are what I will do? I will square this first number. If consecutive, what I am doing? Consecutive multiplication. So 8 square. I am good in square, so I am doing like this. 8 square is nothing but 8 square plus 8. 8 8s are 64 plus 8 will become 72. ఇందులో ఏముంది సార్? డైరెక్ట్గా 8 into 9 72 రాయొచ్చు అంటారా? Now see this, sir. 12 into 13. So 12 into 13, what you will do? Instead of multiplying directly 12 into 13, so what I will do? I will square this number. 12 square, I know 144. 12 square is 144 plus 12. It will nothing but 156. Okay, now? Now instead of multiplying, what I am doing? I am adding. So 12 square, I know 144 plus 12. What I am doing? Plus 12. I am getting 156. Directly I am not multiplying. 12 into 13. 12 square I am doing. I am adding 12. Okay, now if consecutive terms are there, you square the first number and add that number. 18 into 19. 18 into 19 is there. So square 18. 18 square is how much, sir? 18 square is nothing but 324 plus 18. So what you will get? 340. If you know directly tables, that is also about 18 into 19. If you know tables, directly you can write. But if you don't know that, 18 square, right? 18 square is nothing but 324 plus 18. If you know, try to remember 1 to 30 squares. Okay. 22 into 23. So directly instead of multiplying, whatever I know, 22 square as 484. 22 square as 484 plus 22. So plus 22. So what you will get? 506. Okay. So instead of multiplying, I am doing addition. 25 into 26. So 25 into 26. Instead of doing like this, what I will do? I will do 25 square. 25 square is nothing but 625 plus 25. 625 plus 25 is nothing but 650. Okay. Next one. 28 into 29. So what you will do? You will square this number 28 square. 28 square plus to add 28. Okay. Here 17 into 18. Similarly, same thing directly. 17 square plus 17. So do these two problems. So directly, what you will do? If consecutive terms are there, you square that number and multiply that number and add that number. Okay. Square this number and add this number. So try to remember 1 to 30 square. Then you can write directly. Or if you want to do directly, that also will tell you. Okay. But try to remember squares 1 to 30. Okay. Next. Now till now we have seen so many methods. First we have done how to multiply. 11 is there. Okay. Multiplication with 11, with 99, 999, 111. Our numbers ending with unit digit is 5. Different system. Or what we have done with numbers, sum of last digit should be 10 and before the digit should be same. Like this we have seen different methods. But in the exam hall, we want ivanni gurturavanడి. Exam hall lo kuchunnappudu ivanni gurturavu. So we will go for the generalized method. Okay, I will teach you generalized method. So what generalized method is nothing but same method what we have done, what we have learned. Suppose if I want to multiply 23 into suppose 50, let us say 23 into 50. What we have done in the after school, so we did like this. So first 5 3s are 15. Okay, 1 here, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. So you wrote 11 here. Next You wrote cross here. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. So I have written like this: 5, 4, 3, 345 like this. Okay. This is the generalized method. The same method I will explain, but in a different way. Method is same, but in a different way. Directly we can get the answer. So I will explain that method now. Now I won't teach any other method. This method is applicable to all the problems because this is the universal method. This method only I will explain in a different way. Okay. Now see this, how I will do this same problem. Now see this, 23 into 15. Now this method is very useful because with this method we will get last digits. From the last digit onwards you will get the answer. Okay. Now see this. First I will start from here. I will start from here. Here 5 is there. Okay. Next I will multiply this number with this number. 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. I will write 5 here. Carry 1. Okay. What I did? I took the last step. 5 into 3. 15 and carry 1. Okay. Next what I will do? I will move like this. This number will move like this. Okay. Now I will multiply these two numbers. 5 2s are 10. While moving this number, this number also gets starts. Okay. ఈ number ఇక్కడికి వచ్చిందండి. ఇది మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది. ఈ number కూడా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? 5 2s are 10. Now 1 3s are 3. 5 2s are 10. 1 3s are 3. 10 plus 3 is 13 plus 1 15. So it carry. Okay. Now ఇది కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది. Total ఇది అయిపోయింది. Next this is remaining and you multiply this number with this. 1 2s are 2 plus 1 3. So 3 40. Okay. It seems little difficult, but this is important. This is very important. This method is very useful because first while doing first time you will get this last digit. If your options only last digit is there, okay, last digit is different is there, then directly you can go for this answer. Or if last two digits is same, last two digits different. So while doing the problem, options లో last two digits different ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి. Last two digits లో ఒకటే ఆప్షన్ లో 45 ఉంది అనుకోండి. ఇది చెక్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. Directly 45 can write. Okay, so I'll explain again. I will take one more example and I will tell. Suppose I want to multiply 12 into, let us say 16. I'm multiplying 12 into 16. Okay, first I will start from here. So I will multiply these two numbers. 6 to the 12. So I'm writing 12 here. 2 here, carry 1. Okay, next this digit will move here. ఇది ఇక్కడికి వస్తుందండి. అంటే ఇది దీంతో మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది. తర్వాత ఇది స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, తర్వాత ఇది స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. సో 6 1 are 6. Next 1 2 are 2. 6 plus 2 8. Carry on the other 1 9. Writing 9. Okay, complete digit అయిపోయింది. Next this digit will multiply to this digit. 1 1 are 1. So 192. Okay, now see this. I will take one more example. Let us say 72 into 33. I am multiplying 72 into 33. Okay, so I will start from here. I will multiply these two numbers. 3 2 are 6. I am writing 6 here. Okay, next this will move to here. Okay, ఇది ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేస్తున్నాను సెకండ్ నెంబర్తో. 7 3 are 21 ప్లస్ ఇది యాడ్ అవుతుందండి. ఇది దీంతో మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది. ఇది ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసింది కదా, ఇది దీంతో మల్టిప్లై అవుతుంది. 7 3 are 21 plus 3 2 are 6. 21 plus 6 is how much? 27. Right, 20 to 7 here, right 2 here. Okay, ఇది కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది కదండి. ఇది కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయింది రెండింటితో మల్టిప్లికేషన్. Now this will multiply with this. 7 3 are 21 plus 2. 21 plus 2 is nothing but 23. Okay, so this is with 2 digit. I will explain with 3 digit, 4 digit, n digit, any number. Okay, I will take few more examples. Now I have increased 1 digit. So I have taken here 3 digit and 2 digit. So same method, start from here. I am starting from here. I will multiply these two numbers. So 3 2s are 6. I am writing 6 here. Okay, next this will move like this. Then this will also start. Okay, this is how much? 2 into 2 4. Next this will also I will multiply 1 into 3. This is 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 3. 4 plus 3 is 7. So I will write 7 here. Okay, next this will move to here. Okay, one more digit is there, it will move to here. So 2 1s are 2 and this will move here. 2 1s are 2, 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. Right, 4 here. This is completed. Okay, now this is here, this will move here. 1 into 1, 1 1s are 1. Directly you will get 1 4 7 6. Okay, so you have to practice this. See this, I will take one more example. 263 into 70. Let us say 263 into 17. I am multiplying 263 into 17. So what I will do, I will start from here. Okay, 7 into 3. So I will start from here. This number with this. 7 3 is 21. So write 1 here, carry 2. Okay, next this will move here. Okay, second number. ఇది ఇక్కడ వచ్చేసింది సార్. నెక్స్ట్ ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? ఇది కూడా స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. 1 into 3. So 7 into 6. 7 6 are 42 plus 3 1s are 3. 42 plus 3 is nothing but 45 plus 2 47. Write 7 here and carry 4. Okay, next this will move to this number. Okay. Next 7 2s are 14. Next this will move here. 7 into 2 14 and this will move here. 14 plus 1 6 are 6. 14 plus 6 is how much? 20. Carry 4 24. Okay. Carry 24. Next what I will do, this 3 digits completed. Next this will move here. 1 2 2 plus 2 4. So if you do like this, what happens now? First you will get last digit. In your option, suppose for some question you have options like this. In last calculation you have options like this. 4 3 6 1. Option B 4 3 8 1. Option C 4 3 7 1. Option D 4 3 9 1. Like this you have different options. Now see this. So I am doing this multiplication. First what last digit I got. So first in this answer 1 7 3 is 21. Last digit. So I wrote carry here last digit 1. So in these options 1 is here, 1 is here, 1 is here, 1 is here. So in all the options answer is there. So next I will go for the next digit. Next digit is 7 into 6. 7 6 is 42. 1 3 is 3. 42 plus 3. How much? 42 plus 3. 45. Plus how much? 2 is there carry. 47. So last digit em vachindi 7 vachindi. So ikkada option 7 last digit, 2 digit last second last digit em 7 undi. So now I won't do this 2 also. Directly I will take the answer. Okay. So this is the best method. Directly from last digits you will get last digit, second last digit, third last digit. Directly you will get answers. From the options you can check. So by looking at the options up to how many digits you can find. So from here with these options I can find only last 2 digits is enough. If 3 digits are same, I'll find 3 digits. If 4 digits are same, I'll find 4 digits. Okay, directly you can do like this. I'll take few more examples. So I'm taking few more examples. So let us say I'm multiplying 534 into 123. I'm taking here also 3 digits, here also 3 digits. So how I will do? These are only one method, direct method. In a single step, I'll get the answer. So I'll start from here. Okay. Then I'll go like this. 3 4 is 12. So I'll write 2 here. Carry 1. Okay. First. Next, this will move like this. Okay. This will move like this. So this will move like this. This step further వెళ్ళిపోయింది సార్. ఇది నెక్స్ట్ స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఇది ఫస్ట్ ఇక్కడ ఉంది. తర్వాత ఇది కొంచెం ముందుకు వెళ్ళింది. ఇది స్టార్ట్ అయింది. So 3 3 is 9. Next 4 2 is 8. 9 plus 8 17. Carry 1 18. So I'll write 8 here 1. Okay. Next. This will move like this. Okay. This is moving like this and this will move like this and this will start. So ఒకదాని తర్వాత ఒకటి స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది సార్. Next this is 5 3 is 15. Next this is 3 2 is 6. 15 plus 6 is 21. Next 4 1 is 4. 21 plus 4 is 25 plus 1 26. So 2. Next this is completed. Next ఇది ఏమవుతుంది సార్? ఈ 2 ఇక్కడికి వెళ్తుంది. Yes. ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ 1 ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది సార్. ఈ 1 ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది. So 5 2s are 10, 1 3s are 3. 10 plus 3 is 13. Carry 2 15. I'll write 5 here 1 here. Now this is also completed. This only one this is there. So this will multiply here. 1 5 is 5. Carry 1 6. In a single step you'll get the answer. Okay, but this will be little confused, but you have to practice. Then only you'll get it. It's not easy. It's not easy because this method is useful for exams. Competitive exam, this method is the best method. But it should be practiced. It's not like that. Suppose 45 into 55, 65 into 75. ఇలా రావు సార్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో ఇక్కడ ఇలా రావు మీకు. మేము క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్లో కూడా ఎక్కడ మీకు ఇలాంటివి రాదు. ఇది ఓన్లీ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ వరకు ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది. బట్ యాక్చువల్ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ ద కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఇస్ దిస్ మెథడ్. సో హియర్ యూ విల్ గెట్ లాస్ట్ డిజిట్స్. డైరెక్ట్లీ విల్ గెట్ లాస్ట్ డిజిట్స్. సో లాస్ట్ 2 digits సేమ్ అయ్యాయి. లాస్ట్ 2 digits డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది అనుకోండి. డైరెక్ట్లీ గో ఫర్ ద ఆప్షన్స్. ఆప్షన్స్లో ఓన్లీ లాస్ట్ 2 digit వేరీ ఉంది. సో 82 ఉంది. ఇక్కడ 82 ఉంటే అక్కడ రాస్తారు ఆన్సర్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. లేదా లాస్ట్ 3 digits 682. లాస్ట్ 4 digits 5682. Like this, up to 3 digits, 4 digits different ones are directly right. Now see, I will take one more example. Let us say I am multiplying 176 into 230. Let us say 176 into 230. Okay. So what I will do, I will start from here. Okay, I will start from here. I will multiply these two numbers. 6 3 is 18. So I will write 8 here and carry 1. Okay. Next, I will go like this. I will multiply this number with this number. Okay, then this number starts. Okay, each step ki dikri velnappudu ee number start avutundi. Okay, 6 7 into 3. 7 3 is 21. Next 1 6 is 6. 21 plus 6 is 27. Carry 1 28. So I'll write 18. Carry 2. Okay. Next this will go like this. As this have gone like this. Okay. Now what this will do? This will also move like this. Idi ikkadiki vachindi sir. Now this will also stop. Okay, ఇది ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది. థర్డ్ స్టెప్ వెళ్ళింది. ఇది సెకండ్ ఇక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది సార్. సెకండ్ దగ్గరికి ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? ఇది స్టార్ట్ అయింది. So 1 3s are 3. 1 3s are 3. Next 1 7s are 7. 3 plus 7 10. 2 6 are 12. 10 plus 12 is nothing but 22 plus 2. 22 plus 2 is how much? 24. Right? 24 here. Carry 2. Now this is completed. It is completed, sir. Next it on the other end. 1 only. So 1 will move here. 1 will where 1 will move? 1 will move to 1. So next this 2 will move to where this 2 will move? 2 will move to 6. So 1 1s are 1. 7 2s are 1 1s are 1 plus 7 2s are 14. 1 plus 14 is nothing but 15 plus 2 is there. Plus 2 there. 15 plus 2 is nothing but 17. So carry 1. Okay. So this is also completed. This would be completed. Next only this last digit is there. So last digit what I will do? So I will multiply these two numbers. 1 2s are 2 plus 1 is nothing but 3. So write 3. In a single step you will get the answer, but you have to practice this method. It's a very effective method, but little bit confusion will be there. You have to practice. Keep on following. One number will go like this, next number will follow. One number will go like this, next number will follow like this. Like this you can do any digit number. Now see this, I have taken one 4-digit number, I am multiplying with one 3-digit number. While solving some question is there, while solving that, after solving that question, you have got like this, final equation as 6372 into 205. You have to solve this, and these are the options. Let us say I have taken options also, 136 9970, 1368 980, 1369 980, 1366 981. See this, by looking at the options, if I can find up to 3 digits. See here 980, 980, 3 digits are same. Next to 4th digit, here 8 is there, here 9 is there. So 4th digit is different. So what I will do is I will find up to only 4th digit. Okay, I won't find total, I will find up to only 4th digit, because see in these options, here last digit same. So I can last digit is same. Next two digits is here 8 is there, here 7 is there, here third digit also 999. Here third digit is 9, 8, 9. So different is there. So I will find up to 4th digit, then I can know my answer. See this. So I will start from here 5. Next I will multiply these two numbers. 5 2s are 10. So I am writing 0 here and carry 1. Okay. Next step. I will move like this. I will move next step. Okay. Then this will also start. Okay. Which is starting, 1 is also starting. So I am representing that with red. Okay. Next two. 5 7s are 35. Next to 1 2s are 2. 5 7s are 35 plus 1 2s are 2. 35 plus 2 is nothing but 37, and plus 1 carry is there 1 38. So I write 38 is here. Carry 3. Okay. Next step. This will move next step here. Okay. Then this will also move. This 1 also will move to next step. Okay. 1 also move next step. Then this 2 also starts. Which will start 2 also start. This 2 is also starting. Okay, so now I will multiply this number with this. 5 3s are 15 plus this number with this. See this number with this. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 7s are 7. 15 plus 7 is nothing but 22, and this is also there. 2 into 2. 22 plus 4. 22 plus 4 is nothing but 26 plus 3 is nothing but 29. So I write 29 here. 9 is here, carry 2. Okay, 9 is here, carry 2. Then this will move like this. Okay, that move is 9. That this is moving like this. Next, what will move? This 1 will move. Where 1 will move? 1 will move up to here. Okay, 1 will move up to here. This 2 is there. 2 will move like this. Okay. Next one. 6 5s are 30. 1 3s are 3. 33. 6 5s are 30 and 1 3s are 3. 33 plus 2 7s are 14. Okay. 33 plus 14 is nothing but 47 plus 2 is nothing but 49. So I write 49 here. Where is 9? 49. So I am writing 49 carry. Okay, now see this last digit what I got 9980. So I will check where 9980 is there. Here 80 is there, 80 is there. This is 7081. I am eliminating these two options. Okay, from here 980, 980 third digit. So what is fourth digit? 8980. Fourth digit is 9980. So no need of checking this also. Only one option is satisfying last 4 digits 9980. So I will write 9980. No need of checking all this also. So this method directly you will get last digits. So this is the best method. If you want to do, you can do it. You can do any number of digits. You can take 5-digit number also, 4-digit number also. Same thing you have to follow. First you have to take this digit, next follow. Like this you have to do. So this is the best method. If you practice, this is best method, but also a little bit confusing. You have to practice. You have to practice every time. Then only will be perfect. Okay. So I'll stop here. So I have completed all the multiplication techniques. According to me, this is the best method. If you practice this method, you can solve anything, and this is the method useful for the exam, not all that methods. that methods, before methods also important. Avi kuda important, but confusion ఉంటుంది. ఎగ్జామ్లో అవి సడన్గా గుర్తురావు. మీరు జనరలైజ్ మెథడ్కి వెళ్తారు. సో ఇఫ్ యూ లెర్న్ దిస్ మెథడ్, సో లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ నుంచి మీకు ఆటోమేటిక్ ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. మీకు ఎప్పుడు 3-4 డిజిట్స్లో లాస్ట్ 3-4 డిజిట్స్లో మీకు ఆన్సర్ తెలిసిపోతుంది. ఓకేనా? సో ప్రాక్టీస్ దిస్ మెథడ్. So I'll stop here. In the next video, I'll do the videos on how to find square. Already I taught squares, how to find square roots, cube roots, and how to find cubes. Avi chestamandi next video lo. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share.